Hello, welcome to the demonstration of inventory to delivered process in Dynamics 365. I'm Adil, pre-sales supply chain management consultant at Intelligent IT. Here is the agenda for today's session. We'll understand what is Microsoft Dynamics 365 and we'll have an overview of the business and the system process of the inventory to deliver flow. Then we'll navigate to the system for a quick demo. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a comprehensive cloud-based business operation solution that has unified ERP and CRM process on a single platform. It offers a wide range of modules, and each module comes packed with impressive features and functionalities along with the Power Platform. As you can see, ERP modules are on the left side of the curve with the supply chain management, finance, human resources, and the standard CRM modules on the other side, such as sales, marketing, field service, etc. Let's understand what is the business and the system process of the inventory to deliver flow. Here is the basic outline of the inventory to deliver business process. It involves managing the flow of goods from the receipt into a warehouse or a distribution center to the delivery to the customer. An example of the end-to-end business process includes creation of customer order, receipt of goods, managing the quality and the inventory of the received items, order fulfillment and shipment, and finally, generating an invoice. Now, let's see how the business process is achieved in Dynamics 365. Typically in the system, the inventory to deliver process begins by defining the warehouse parameters and managing its operational capabilities. When the stock arrives, the system has the ability to manage and maintain its quality by having predefined quality assurance process. Within Dynamics 365, we can define various costing models to manage inventory cost, which helps us to control the cost and do an in-depth analysis to make better business decisions. Lastly, we can use Power BI to build AI dashboards for seamless reporting of the complete process. Now, let's see the process in the system from the lens of these personas. We will see how a sales executive creates a sales order in the system. Then, we'll see how a warehouse executive logs into the system and receives the items and handles the order fulfillment process via advanced warehouse management. Post the fulfillment, sales manager will complete the order delivery with an invoice. Let's dive into the system. Now we have logged into the application, Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, and this is the home page, the landing page of the application. And as you can see, there's a list of tiles that is displayed here, and these tiles help us navigate directly into a specific workspace from the home screen itself. And as I have logged in as a system admin, I have access to all the modules within the application, and as a result of that, you can see a list of tiles that is displayed here. And on the left side, we have the calendar functionality and then items assigned to me section where the users can quickly review the items that have been assigned to them when they log into the application. On the top, we have the functionality to switch between the legal entities within the organization. We have a universal search bar and a settings option to customize the look and feel of the application. On the left side, we have a traditional navigation pane where we have favorites where you can just quickly pin the often used workspaces, and we have a workspace section and a module section which lists all the modules that is currently available within the finance and supply chain management. So let's get this demonstration started, where I'm going to assume the role of a sales executive and go ahead and create a new sales order as the first step of this demonstration. So quickly navigating to the sales and marketing module, to the sales order workspace. I can see there's a list of sales orders that is displayed here with various statuses. And I also have the option to customize the view. And there's an ability to the integration within the wider Microsoft applications. So I'm just going to go ahead now and create a new sales order. So let's select a customer account, US 001. I'm going to scroll down and then enter the site and warehouse details and click on OK. And system has generated a sales order for us. This is the sales order number, and this is the status of the sales order. It's currently in open order status. If you scroll down, you can see delivery address, delivery date, details, and there's the sales order lines where we're going to input the item that we're going to select. I'm going to select a specific item for this demonstration. That's the HDMI 6-inch cables. If I scroll on the right, you can see the quantity. Let's say I need 5 of these. The delivery type is stock. That's all right. Site and the warehouse details. There's a unit price and there's a net amount. And that's the detail in the sales order line level. Just going to go ahead and click on save. And this will enable us to confirm the sales order. So there's a pop-up that comes up where we can just quickly review the details of the sales order. Say OK. This will create an order confirmation, which will help us to go to the next stage of the demonstration. So now the sales order has been confirmed. As a sales executive, I would want to inform my warehouse executive that I have created the sales order and I want to make a reservation in the warehouse so that these items are reserved against the sales order, and there's always this stock reserved until the order is being fulfilled. So I'm just doing a quick reservation, and that's done. And once the order is reserved, I'll navigate to the warehouse tab and click on release to the warehouse. And this will create a work ID for us, which will see how the warehouse executive works with. As you can see, there's a work ID is created. Let's just quickly review the work details. And this is the work ID, and this is the open tasks that is created against the work ID, just the pick and put from these locations. So now let's just navigate to the mobile application where I'm logging in as the warehouse executive. And this is the mobile application where we have a list of tasks that is available for the executive carry out. And let's just select sales picking. And here we have the option to scan the work ID. So in real world scenario, you'll just be using a barcode scanner and scan the item. But here in this case, I'm going to manually enter the work ID, and this will give us the item details and the quantity and the location that we want to pick it from. And it's asking for a license plate. It's going to enter the license plate details and I'm going to give confirmation for it. We have an option to do a short pick, where if you want to pick a lesser quantity from what is defined in the sales order. But in this case, I'm going to say OK. And this will complete the picking process. And now coming to the next task, that is deliver to the put location, where again we can see the item details, the quantity, and the location that we want to put it to. I'm going to say OK. And now the work ID has been completed. So the warehouse executive has finished his part. And now we'll navigate back to the system. If I just do a quick refresh, I can see that the work ID submitted as closed and the task has been completed by the warehouse executive. So now let's just go back to the sales order work area. So now the order has been fulfilled by the executive. Now we'll just see how when sales manager is going to complete the order and finish the order delivery. So as the sales manager, I'll navigate to this same workspace and select the line and go to the shipment details to confirm the shipment. And once the shipment has been confirmed, I can go ahead and create a packing slip. This will be a delivery note to the customer, where you can just review the details here and just say OK. And this will create the shipment note and it will update the sales order being delivered. And now that it's been delivered, coming to the last stage, which is generating an invoice. Again, you can just quickly review the details here, and if you're satisfied, you can just say OK. And once that is done, the sales order would be in the invoice status. So this is a brief end-to-end process of the inventory to deliver flow within the Dynamics 365. And now I just want to quickly show some of the reporting capabilities that we have within our application. So if I just navigate into the inventory management module, go to the invoice and work reports. As you can see, there is a whole host of reporting capabilities we have against each area. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say inventory aging report. And there's a list of parameters that we can input for the report, and we'll just say OK. This system will generate an inventory aging report for us. Just zoom in a bit. I can review the details, the item number, the unit, and various other important details. So this is a quite insightful report for various stakeholders. And also we have reporting capabilities against the warehouses. If I navigate to the warehouse management, and if I do an inquiry and report, where we have a whole host of reports where we can do warehouse monitoring reports, warehouse performance analysis reports, and etc. Let's just see this report, for instance, where it's a labor by work transaction report, where the user can see the work order type and effort that has been put in by the employer, the hours executed, the total number of transactions that has been done. So as you can see, Dynamics 365 is a comprehensive solution with extensive reporting capabilities to optimize the inventory to deliver process. So with a well-defined inventory to deliver process, Dynamics 365 can lead to increased customer satisfaction, reduce inventory costs, and increase your overall business performance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been insightful. Please feel free to connect with me or the wider team via email or telephone. Also, check out our website to get some of the latest content on Microsoft Dynamics 365 and stay connected by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Cheers.